Number 1 dumbbell Arnold press. Work the deltoid, especially the front and middle head muscle. Holding the dumbbell in both hands at shoulder height. Sit on the bench with back supported. Press the dumbbell overhead while rotating your pelvis forward at the top of the movement. Then squeeze the shoulder muscle and lower the dumbbell back to the shoulder height. And again press the dumbbell upward with the same form. Maintaining this correct form, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. Number 2 barbell upright row. Target muscle middle deltoid and trapezius. Stand straight holding the straight bar or easy bar with an overhead grip and pulling the bar straight up toward your chin, keeping it close to the body. Then squeeze the side shoulder and trapezius muscle together. Then controlling the speed, bringing the bar downward to the starting position and again pull it upward. While performing this, try to keep your elbow above the wrist. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions while maintaining the correct form. Number 3 one-arm cable lateral raises. Target muscle lateral deltoid. Stand side away to the cable machine, holding the handle with one hand and keep your elbow slightly bent and arm straight. Lift the handle out to the side until your entire arms is parallel to the ground and then bringing the handle back down. Similarly, after completing one set, perform it with the other hand also. Do 3 sets of this and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Number 4 behind the neck barbell shoulder press. Target the all 3 head of the shoulder and tricep muscle. Stand with the barbell behind your neck or sit on the bench. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Press the barbell over your head until your arms are completely straight and then with control bringing it down back to the starting position. Perform it with the light weight so that there is no injury in your neck joint. Do 3 sets and 8 to 12 repetitions. Number 5 cable front raises. It target the front deltoid muscle of the shoulder. Attach the straight bar or rope cable to the lowest lock and stand facing the cable machine and hold the bar with both hands with an overhead grip. Raise the bar or rope in front of you until your bar is at a shoulder level and then bringing it down to the starting position in controlled manner. You can also perform it with the dumbbell. Do 3 sets of it and 12 to 15 repetitions. Number 6 dumbbell lateral raises. This target the side deltoid muscle of the shoulder to develop a muscular and wider shoulder. Stand straight and holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands, keeping the arm straight and the elbow slightly bent. Raise the dumbbell to the side till shoulder level and then hold it for 1 second. Then slowly bringing the dumbbell to the starting position with controlled speed. This is a very easy and effective exercise to grow the shoulder muscle. Do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions.